Dubai, Dubai Airshow. Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Mark and this is the Philippines passport. I'm here today at the Dubai Airshow 2023 taking place at the DWC Dubai Airshow, which will be happening from November 13th, which is today, it's the first day, until 17th. And there are a lot of things to be excited for, and it's my second time to attend the event. The first time was on 2021 and I wasn't able to see the Boeing 777-9, and that's the reason why I came today. And also Riyadh Air, it's a new airline for Saudi. It's here on the display, as well as the Saudia with their new livery. So yeah, come and join me and let's enjoy. This is the new airline of Saudi, which is called Riyadh Air, with its livery. Beautiful. It's a 787 and I think they will be operational by 2025. Hello guys, so this is the Qatar Airways Boeing 787-9 and next to it is the Qatar Airways A350-1000. I just flew with the Q Suite from Manila to Dubai with the 777 and the and the A350, and this is a totally different product with a 787, but this one I think they only fly to Europe. And one interesting thing about this product is this. I love this, and also this. This is the Etihad Airways Boeing 787, and next to it is the Riyadh Air, also Boeing 787-9. Okay, so this is actually on the middle suite, but you can see, as you can see on the window, it's not actually a window. So it's like just a camera outside, and it shows people outside touristing. Hello guys, I'm done here. I'm on my way home now. And as expected, the show was spectacular. The Boeing 777-9. Oh my god, it's stunning. It's unbelievable, you know, technology nowadays. And also, one funny thing happened was like when I was about to go up to see what's inside the Qatar Airways Airbus A350, there were like commotion happening, and I didn't know. And it's like I was already halfway, like on the stairs, and like there's the security coming. It's like, excuse me, like you have to go down because we have a visitor, and then I didn't know that the prince or Sheikh Hamdan is already in front of me. Crazy. Okay, have a great day, guys.